Hi, today I'm for the XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprints here to the scanner, and now we'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and but just with a simple touch you have no chance to unlock the device. That's why you should just hold a little bit just for a while to unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.